Trait number 5. So we're told that we have some complete dominant situations with one pod. So big P is one pod. I don't know why I have a over there, one pod. And little p is going to be 3 pod. You can read your paper. I don't know why I'm writing this on this little paper here. But anyway, normal leaf is going to be big L and normal. There we go. And then little l, I'm going to put in cursive because so we can tell the difference between my cursive and my print. Or cursive and my, no, a capital and lowercase. That's what I'm going to say. So this is going to be wrinkled.
What do you want, Asher?
Wrinkled. Please excuse the background conversation here. So for part A, I'm going to do these one at a time. So each one will be a separate recording.
He's ready to go.
Alright, so I have 318. I have 318 that are one pod normal and 98 that are one pod wrinkled. So let's look at these one trait at a time. So as far as one pod goes, they are all one pod, right? So I have 4 out of 4 that are one pod. So I need to figure out what kind of parental cross I would need to get a 4 out of 4 ratio. That just means that one of those parents has to be homozygous for the trait. And so one pod, so I got to be big P for one parent, and the other parent doesn't matter. It could be big P, or big P, or little p. Any of those are acceptable. Now, for the second trait, I have 318 to 98 for one pod, normal to wrinkled. So that's a 3-to-1 ratio. 3-to-1 ratios are heterozygotes. So that means I've got to be that crossed with big L, little l, crossed with big L, little l, which gives me 3 dominant phenotypes and 1 recessive phenotype. So that's going to be, they have to be big L, little l, but one parent has to be homozygous dominant.